Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm making this video today because the title of the video I actually got an email from someone with this in the subject line. And I've gotten a lot of, I don't know how you put it, negative feedback from certain people that will talk about certain things that we've said on this channel as late regarding what you can do and cannot do with respect to visas and immigration matters here in the kingdom. And one thing that I've seen from not a few people, it's been definitely more than one. I don't even think I could count them all on my hand. I need more fingers. From folks who have said, I've checked everywhere, it can't be done. What you're saying is impossible. Well, that may be true. There may be circumstances where one's factual situation leads to a situation where what I've been talking about broadly is not possible under their circumstances. So that's certainly true. That should be understood. But also understand these cases, immigration cases, without trying to sound, too mawkish, if you will, or sort of too sentimental about immigration. Every case it's unique. They're like snowflakes. So some cases are situationally, maybe due to the fact that it's in one province as opposed to another. Maybe due to a situation involving someone's bank account. Maybe due to a situation just involving the caseload of a given office, or perhaps the evidentiary requirements of a given officer. Understand, different cases are going to roll differently. So what works in one case may not work in another. And the other thing, and more to the point of this video, simply getting on the internet and looking at a few sites or calling a few places about a given topic is not the end-all be-all. There may be ways of dealing with something that are not immediately discernible to the average person who doesn't deal with Thai immigration frequently. Now, I'm not making this video to try and make myself sound like the end-all be-all expert. I'm not. What I am saying, though, is we have done this for a number of years, over a decade now, and I personally have gone through the entire immigration system myself, from non-immigrant status all the way to naturalization to Thai citizenship. And I can tell you that subsequent cases, for example, with citizenship, have differed from what I went through. Subsequent cases involving business visas and extensions have differed depending on the time frame. The other thing to understand is this COVID situation is unprecedented. And immigration officers, in my opinion, are being granted a level of plenary discretion to try and make things work as best they can. Now, they're not able to just completely upend the immigration system over one case. But where once they may take a real hard line regarding some discretionary matter with respect to some sort of evidence, they may, under these sort of exigent circumstances we're dealing with now, make the determination that no, it's a reasonable decision under the circumstances to go ahead and allow this to occur based upon the facts I'm being presented to, that are being presented to me as of this moment. So again, it's very fact variable, and it's going to change. This is a fluid situation. We're also dealing with something that the immigration system has presumably never really dealt with before, at least in the span of time from the promulgation of the Immigration Act until now. And as a result, it's having some very, for lack of a better term, wonky outcomes in different cases. We're seeing some cases which will roll one way. We're seeing some cases which will roll another. We're seeing some cases where one solution is optimal. We're seeing other cases where another solution is optimal, largely on very similar facts. And again, it may turn on some slight thing, but the thing to take away from this video is, presuming you've exhausted all options or have full knowledge and full understanding of every aspect of the immigration system, especially in these times we're dealing with, it's really not a particularly prudent assumption to make, because that just simply may not be the case. There may be something that you're not seeing. There may be some undiagnosed or undiscerned fact in your case that may ultimately turn the tables in your favor. So those who are having issues with this, it may not be a terrible idea. Contact a legal professional in order to gain some insight and guidance into how this all works.